Hi, it's Kate.
Affordable, high-quality, precious metal-plated jewelry, like as in gold or silver. I handmake every single piece, and we focus on custom or personalizable jewelry as well as vintage-looking pieces.
So November 2018 is when I first had my idea of making jewelry. It's a hobby that I've always had since 4th grade. After taking a summer class, I fell in love with it. I somehow developed chronic hives, and basically I always get itchy and like red spots from anything, literally even like clothing. And that's why I didn't wear jewelry, because I was afraid it would get abrasive like that too. But turns out I was just wearing the wrong jewelry, so you have to be wearing like higher quality jewelry so that my skin doesn't yell at me. And I started selling on Etsy.com in December of 2018. And so after selling on Etsy for a few months, mind you that the first month I literally made 1 sale, and after that 5 sales, and things were very slow per month. So in February, things finally started picking up, partially because the power of social media. One of my videos here on YouTube was blowing up and I was getting a lot of traffic. People were buying my necklaces. Business was more booming in February. So then it gave me hope. Thank you to everyone who gave me hope. And I decided to make my own website. I would definitely recommend you, if you're just starting out, just start with a few things or even one thing and find your niche market, just so you can really focus on the one thing, find the customers who want that thing, and then you don't need to invest as much money in like tons of other stuff as well. To buy anything, might see a post of mine on the explore page, even if it's not of a product, but they might click it, like it, and follow me because they like my feed and like the whole aesthetic that I have. And then maybe one day they will actually buy something, even though they weren't planning to when they originally clicked the post. So I find social media very, very important because I do garner a lot of sales from that. And then I also am very grateful to have this YouTube platform and have people that watch me and subscribe to me. So a lot of my viewers are also my customers. So shout out, thank you guys for supporting me. I love what I do.
You should do what you love.
Thanks for watching. Adiós.